Hi, I'm Arran. I'm a 66 kV senior authorised person and electrical maintenance technician for the EDS HV group, which are part of James Fisher Renewables. When I left school, I went into an engineering apprenticeship with SSEN for work inside substations. I worked there for over 8 years before moving into the wind industry with Vattenfall. After working as a service technician for a while, an opportunity presented itself which was too good to turn down. This was working with EDS HV Group. My daily tasks vary quite a lot. One day I could be transferring from the quayside to the crew transfer vessel and then on to the turbine, or I could be at the substation on shore to carry out some maintenance tasks. The job is really interesting and it feels good to be part of something that is making a difference for us all and for the future.